Okay, so let me tell you guys my opinion on this product. Once I spray it in my hair, it makes my hair feel really soft, but it feels like one of those products that once it dries up, it's going to make your hair feel really dry. Okay, so I'm going to be trying the Cantu Conditioning Detangler. Let's see if it works. Okay, so while I was detangling my hair, I realized that once you spray the spray, don't automatically go ahead and brush through. Like, you kind of have to let the product sit in your hair for a good 30 seconds and then start to brush it, because the tangles were still kind of there. But when I started letting it sit for like a few seconds before I started brushing it, it was much more easier for the brush to go through. But all in all, it did detangle my hair. And for the price, I'd say it's worth a shot. It's worth a try. So I just went ahead and braided my hair, and this will be my protective style for the rest of the week. Yeah. You definitely need to put something else in your hair after this, because it does make your hair feel moist while it's in, but it feels like once it's dry, it needs something. So you need some type of oil or some type of conditioner or something. But it does detangle, as you can see. I'm using my brush. I am having some shedding, and that's because I just took out my braids and I didn't detangle nothing. So this is actually the first time I'm detangling my hair after taking out my braids. So I even have like some braids in hair still, like some strands in hair, but as you can see, it's detangling my hair nicely. Okay, y'all, so I saw these big jumbo hair jewels at the store, and I bought them. I initially bought them for my jumbo braids, but I did not end up using them. So I was thinking, while I have these big braids in my hair, maybe I could just wear them like this. So this is how it's looking. You know, this one look kind of weird, so let me push it down a little bit. Okay. Right? Okay. So this will be my protective style for the rest of the week, because I'm not doing nothing with my hair. I don't feel like it. I don't want to. So this is pretty much just how I'm gonna have my hair for the rest of the week. I'll probably just put it up as the week goes on. You know, let's pin it up like so. Let one down, let two up. You know, switch it up daily. But yeah, this will be my protective style for the rest of the week. And then I have a rice water treatment to do, and I have to wash my hair. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And definitely you could give this Cantu hair detangler for kids a try. It works. If it works for kids, it'll work for you too. So yeah. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.